Verifying the RCIC license is indeed very crucial to ensure the legitimacy of the immigration company you're dealing with. So following these steps should help in confirming the authenticity and the credibility of the consultancy. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can do that. So on your browser, you type in college-ic.ca and then click on Find an Immigration Consultant. You will have to scroll down and click again Find an Immigration Consultant. And you will be redirected to the public register page. So click on Search for an RCIC. And for Pelican Migration Consultancy, you have to type in our RCIC license number, which is R507572. So it's R507572 and click on Find. You will see the details of our legal representative, Mr. Raghavendra Konda for SLVS Consulting. And you can see there our RCIC license number, R507572, and click on Select under View Profile. Then you click on Licensee Details. And you scroll down in the bottom of the page and you can find under Agents our company information. So company name is Pelican Corporate Services Provider. Our company information such as our email address, our phone number, and our address. It's very important to check all of these information to make sure that you will have a successful permanent residency visa application.